Hey folks, it's Jonathan and Chad with Ramble Trailerworks, and we're kind of getting the news out about Ramble Trailerworks, and I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about this because Brad did a video on his channel. If you haven't watched that, be sure to go over and check out that video. But we wanted to show you the Texas Northlake location. It's open, operating. We've got Airstreams in the shop, ready to go. The North Carolina location currently is in the works, and we'll be giving you more information about that. If you don't kind of know what's going on, so basically Jonathan and I partnered. Jonathan owns the Northlake shop. I'll own the North Carolina shop, but we are partners with our name and trade information, how we do things. We're sharing all that kind of stuff. So it's a very cool setup, and we're really excited about it. But today, Jonathan's going to give you a tour of Northlake, which, let me just say, this is a really nice shop, and North Carolina may not be quite this nice. All right, let's get things flipped around and we'll show you the shop.
Hey guys, so again, my name is Jonathan here at the Ramble, Texas shop. Wanted to give you guys a quick tour. So so this is our kind of studio lobby area. So if anybody wanted to come in, if you're a new Airstream owner or just want to look at doing a power build and kind of look at a layout for the build, looking at what kind of system you want to do, we've got a place just kind of pull things up on a screen and look at it together. So
it's a really cool space. The best part of this space is the kitchen back here. A little kitchenette with a super nice coffee maker.
Yep.
And then one of the things I want to point out that I really like before Jonathan gets in there, even in this space, you can see through into the shop. So you can actually sit in here and watch your camper working on. Not that we want you to be here all day, but
no. Well, yeah. I mean, if you want to get your hands dirty, you can. We've got our office in here. So my desk is over here. This is kind of like a floater desk. So Chad's working from here today. But yeah, another nice view.
Oh yeah.
So this is my rig, which I keep here permanently. We're getting ready to do a pretty big power build on it.
And if you haven't picked up on it yet, Jonathan and I are both Airstream owners. So we're not just shop owners. We're not just doing this because because we just want to own a shop, but we're actually Airstreamers, and we see the need for having quality service.
And then we also have some
Like,
squatters.
who's this? Wait a minute.
Squatting is my favorite thing.
Hey, Piper.
Because you know how much it costs me to stay here? $3.99. That's my favorite price.
$3.99. That's good. That's really good. Brad has we're doing some stuff to Brad's unit, so I'm sure he'll make videos. So make sure you go over 13 Adventures and watch this as we do some upgrades at his unit.
Absolutely.
Good to see you guys.
So we've got a Globetrotter in here we're doing a clear door glass on it and some solar upgrades and a few other things. And then also already have a repeat customer, and we've only been here for been here about 4 months. So just doing a little work on this trailer. All right, so this is basically our inventory area. Still kind of getting things organized, getting things ordered. Just figuring out what customers are wanting and what we need to keep in stock. So we've got some Battleborn batteries, some Epoch batteries, and obviously,
all the different things. Snap pads. These are very important. Everybody should have snap pads.
Yep. We got plenty of skylights, a stack of clear door glass.
So much stuff. This is fantastic. Lift kits.
Yep. Got our Aircrafters, No Locks products, Blue Tech products. Yeah.
This is incredible. That's my favorite battery right there, right now. That's it, the Epoch 460 or 230, depending on 24 or 12 volt.
We've also got a set of scales. So if anybody wants to come in and just weigh their trailer, weigh their tow vehicle,
we can accommodate that.
Yeah. So it's a little, not exactly.
Well, we're in projects. Projects are happening. But I love this space because it's so organized. A great workbench right there, toolbox and everything, different shelves and stuff.
Yeah,
Again, this good. This looks nice, and I don't know that North Collins is going to be this awesome. All right, you can see how big the shop is.
here's Greg.
Hello.
So Greg's our one of our techs here, or our tech now here
Yeah.
in Northlake, in Texas. Thanks
Yep.
for being on camera, Greg.
Absolutely. Anytime.
All right, Jonathan. Is there anything else you want to tell the people?
I don't think so. I mean, go to the web, go to rambletrailerworks.com if you want to schedule an appointment. You can, I mean, Chad, you're booking appointments as well, so you can fill out an inquiry, give us a call, email us, whatever works for you, and we're happy to chat. We do consults if you're wanting a power build, but we're always, always here to help support you guys in any way that we can.
All right, awesome.
Cool.
Thanks, guys. Make sure you click subscribe. What'd you say, Greg?
Absolutely. Thank you.